This is the house. And down the street. Down the street the other way. Neighbors across the street. There's a green space over there. Some cattails in the distance. She just opened up the house. Coming on the side of the house. The grass looks nice. They've got the edging kind of the same way we've got the edging at our house. Down the sidewalk to the right. Down the sidewalk to the left. And we got a hose on this side and a little container. AC's wrapped around in the bushes. Bedroom window, bathroom window. They all have the boxes. The gate that I opened up. Looks like somebody made a hole to go under the gate. Nice little fence. Coming out to the backyard. Lots of thick woods. There is a fence behind those bushes there. That's the edge of the backyard. Neighbor's yard over that way. Neighbor on one side has a pool. Oh, there's a path over that way, it looks like. That's cool. And this side is the low fence, and the other side is the high fence. Love bugs are out in force. You can see through. It's very thick. Oh, and there's raspberries back there. I like that. It's a tall raspberry bush back in there. And there's another raspberry bush right here. How do you like that? So you got raspberries. Apparently they grow here pretty well. I did not know that. And I'm looking into the house again. That's where the main living area is. Double doors to the dining area, double doors to master bedroom and windows. And you've got outside spotlights, which I did not notice before. Up there. And up there. And you've got the meet between the little gate and the big fence. Your other neighbor's yard. Oh, and you've got some potted plants. Some of them broke and fell over, but there's some that are still alive. Oh, and the little tiny bird house. And a little bird feeder. And that neighbor has a pool as well. They have a bigger pool on this side. Oh, and there it looked like the woods are not quite as thick. Hi, Kathy. Just walking around showing. It is. It's very pretty. And this is the hose on this side. Apparently this hose connects in here, and then you've got it covered up nicely all the way to over there. Buried hose. And we've got a drain pipe there. A nice latch on the gate. There's a latch on the other gate as well. And this has the nice storm windows, which actually every window has a lock on it. So you can really lock this place up. This is the master bathroom from the outside. Coming back around the front, you have that nice edging. And these windows go almost all the way down to the ground and all the way to the roof. Looks very nice. The neighbors have some nice bushes with some pretty flowers. Overhang at the neighbor's house. Got a little electric box. Looks nice. Come back out to the street, show you the street view. There's the neighbor's house there. People over there. Cyclist riding by. That's the house.